Why does your torch actually work? Every torch, every remote, every gadget you own runs on the same basic idea, a circuit. A circuit needs just three things. One, a power source, the battery pushing electricity along. Two, a conductor, the wire carrying it. Three, a component, the bulb, using it to make light. Break the loop anywhere, like with a switch, and it all stops. This exact loop is behind every light switch in your house and every device you use every day. Phones, remotes, toy cars, torches, they're all built on this one loop too. Here's something you might not know. A bolt of lightning is really just a massive, uncontrolled circuit between a storm cloud and the ground. So, next time you switch on your torch, now you know exactly what's happening inside. That's it explained. I'm Mr. G, and I'll see you in the next one.